Hey guys, welcome to yet another video. I finished my last video pulling up my bike, my KTM, to Yamaha dealer, but that was a big cheeky move because I buy my bikes in mega bikes. So we actually right now in the mega bikes and we collecting my brand new MT-07 Yamaha. And I really flippin' like it. There's something about this bike when I was watching the video that was like, I need to have MT-07 in my life, as crazy as it sounds. So first, let me peel off that screen protector. Guys, have a look. 2025 MT-07.
Bitches mad then. 233 and I'm still going hard then. I'll buy a building just to burn it down then. Phone keeps on ringing but ain't calling back then.
Okay, it's kind of quiet right now, but definitely this bike getting proper exhaust. Alright guys, as you see, I just get myself an MT-07. I never ridden, well, I ridden naked bikes before, but I never ridden CP2 engine, so I don't know how they like. Every video I watched, everyone praised those engines. They say they bulletproof. They say this bike is brilliant. So you know what? I was like, I need to find out for myself. So this is my first ride, completely first ride of the Yamaha MT-07 any generations. Like I didn't sit even on a previous generation for a second. That's how much I wasn't interested of this bike before. But then watching a few videos, I was like, oh damn, that might be a good bike. Then I'm watching more videos and I'm like, damn, this wheelie like crazy. Then everyone praised this bike through the roof and I'm like, god damn it, I need to have that bike in my life. And to be fair, I give the credit to the guy who actually I just watched for the last few weeks. He's here, he's in Ireland, the Night Rider 91. He was on someone's else, I think his friend's Yamaha MT-07 2024 model, and he was so, you hear that through the watching the video here, he was so excited about this bike. He said it's a hooligan bike, he wants one, and I'm like, I think I want one right. I think I want one as well right now. So this is me swap over my 390 Adventure for MT-07. My first thoughts jumping off from 390 Adventure to this is stiff as hell. It's really stiff as hell. No quick shifter, which it's a bummer, put it this way. It's really a bummer for me because I love quick shifters. Let's get this bike to the first 1,000 kilometer service quick as we can, and then we start do bits and pieces to this bike, which I'm not gonna lie, I have a big plans for this bike. That will be hooligan bike for sure, that will be my occasionally track bike for sure, but there is a big plans for this bike. You found out watching more videos. God damn, the torque in this is just crazy. Like that comes from me, which has never sit on a bike like this, like CP2 engine. That's what I'm saying. I need to remind myself that this bike didn't have a quick shifter, because nearly 3 times already I tried to hit the gear without hitting the clutch. As stupid as it sounds, I'm even more excited right now when I get this bike than I was getting my 600RR. There is a reason for that. I own 600RR before, 2009 model. Then I have S1000RR, so the sport bike for me wasn't something new. This is for me completely new platform, new bike, a naked, no windshield, and really torquey engine from the bottom, which I don't feel that yet that much because I didn't go crazy on this bike yet. New tires. I think I learned my lesson the hard way. We go and fill it up the bike with some petrol. I don't want to spill no petrol on this thing. God damn it, I never think I'd be so excited for the small bike like this. But I think this bike give me the fun. The other bike give me adrenaline. This bike give me definitely more fun, because I won't be scared of this bike that much, as I'm sometimes scared of the bigger bike. So the braking period for the new bike is 1,000 kilometers, so we will be take it easy on the bike until that. We definitely be hammer this bike after. Guys, you probably don't hear that, but that induction noise, it's nice, because it's definitely not exhaust noise. Exhaust is quiet as hell. So I don't know where people get it from. Oh, look, you getting horn 9, look, you getting horn 9. No, I'm not getting horn 9. I'm getting MT-07! Or there was a crazy idea that I'm getting a crazy fast 1000cc bike in special edition model, which I love to do it one day, but it's not today. Okay guys, it's not today. That's not the time to get a 1 liter bike yet. Well, I was thinking if I get a smaller bike I might not put myself in the trouble, but I think this thing might put me in trouble as well. Woo! God damn. I'm not big fan of those blue wheels, blue rims. I think I'm gonna change the color. Alright guys, first 40 kilometers I've done, and I have to say I'm so excited to have this bike. I was excited, bit of explanation for you. I was excited when I leave the Megabikes, pick up this bike, but maybe you don't feel the, or you don't hear the excitement from my voice, because around 2 weeks ago I had eye surgery and my eye is still hurting, the left eye especially. So I battle excitement with a little bit of pain, but right now doing 40 kilometers on this bike, god damn it, this thing is fun. This thing is fun. I really bloody enjoyed it. It's not powerful like my 600 RR, but it's different. It's something I never expect to have, and that front end, oh my god, I really enjoy this. I really like the way it looks. It looks like Decepticon from Transformers. It didn't look like Autobots, but Decepticons for sure. So we're gonna name this bike somehow, and we have to figure out some cool name. I'm really big fan of the way this bike looks. Seriously, from every angle, I'm not a big fan of the blue wheels. I'm not revving this bike crazy high yet because it's a brand new one. As you see right now, it's 45 kilometers on the clock. The rev limiter is set up around 5,000. It starts flashing here. So that's what I'm gonna keep it right now. Maybe when the bike have around 400 kilometers, I start go a little bit higher, because I want to brake the engine the way it should be braking. I watched some videos when the people just get the brand new bikes and just rev it to the end. I don't think that's good for the bike. Well, I know it's not good for the bike. Maybe if you have bike for, let's say, I don't know, a year or up to certain 1,000 kilometers or miles, and then you're gonna sell it, that's not gonna be a problem, I know that. But I treat my stuff as it will be my forever. Even with the KTM, the braking period was done properly. RR 600R, the braking period as well, so we do the same stuff with here. So the engine is really punchy. It is punchy engine, but how punchy it is, I don't know yet guys, because I don't want to go above 5,000. I have to wait to feel that full power, full potential of the CP2 engine, whatever the braking period is done. At this moment, this bike is so flickable, it's so light, it's incredible. Look, like from the side when I see this bike, it looks small, but not that small how it feels small for me. It's just crazy when I talk to my mates, my friends, and I said I'm more excited of MT-07 than on my CBR. They call me stupid. Well, I really like the dash. It's 5-inch TFT screen. Definitely that quick shifter and auto blipper is must have. I'm so used to it that it's just right now, every time I want to change the gear, I put my foot on a shift lever and just before I hit the gear up or gear down, I remind myself, oh shit, I have to press the clutch. So that's definitely is a thing. I need to put it in whatever is available. Suspension, to be honest with you, I can't tell and compare it to the previous models, but this is stiff suspension. It's really, put it this way, it's stiff, but it's good stiff. I know my KTM was completely different because it was adjustable rebound and compression. This one didn't have that, but it's really good suspension. And put it this way, guys, exhaust is already on the way. So there'll be plenty of things I'm going to put on this bike. We definitely changed the look on this bike, definitely. And I think I'm going to keep this bike for a long period of time. I might change my sport bikes, but this one stays. Because like everyone said, and I have to agree, whenever I hear that for the first time, people saying, oh yeah, it's a hooligan bike, I'm like, how the hell? 683cc, whatever the bike is, I have less than 700. Bike might be hooligan bike if it's not this supermoto, put it this way. How the twin cylinder engine can be hooligan bike if it's not the supermoto? That's what was my process of thinking. Then I own one. God damn, this is hooligan bike. That can put you into trouble as quick as my 600RR or any other sports bike. But this is definitely a fun bike. It's definitely a fun bike. Those mirrors, no go. I just push this and it's all, like, I don't want to do it now, but we just push it and it's unscrewed. So the mirrors, and I don't like the way it looks because it's a naked bike. I put the end bars mirrors for it, so this will be like a clean. The induction noise from this thing is just so cool. And up to 120 kilometers per hour, at least that's the speed I was hitting today. That wind is still kind of comfortable, maybe it's a bad word, but not annoying. Look at this, 4 gear, 70 kilometers per hour, and this thing really want to go, this thing. And oh my god, it's really punch engine. And guys, it's like, don't be me, and I'm saying that in a good way, because sometimes I read a spec sheet and I'm already thinking this bike is shite or this thing is so good. Because on a spec sheet, that power, it's nothing. Twin cylinder, 72 brake horsepower, 183 kilograms. I'm like, that's baby power. But then, because the torque hits so low, oh my god, it's such a fun. It is. So don't be like me. Don't judge the book for the cover, from the cover. Get the bike, experience, feel it, and then say something. And I'm guilty of saying because I read the spec sheet. Those indicators, I see people giving out about them. I actually like them. When you press the left one to cancel, you need to press the left again. There was no cancel in the middle like in the other bikes, which takes me 4 turns to remember. Seriously, it's so easy. And self-cancellating indicators, they work, but you have to drive like 150 meters so they cancel themselves. So I rather press myself doing that. I already ordered some parts to this bike, guys, because I knew I'd get that bike for the last 4 days, and I already ordered a few parts. So stay tuned for the another videos, because there will be stuff happening on this bike, and it's 2025, so it's not many videos about. We're still on a go easy period. I'm riding on a street mode, so I can tell you right now there is a difference between street and a sport map. Probably there is little one, but I don't think that'll be feelable, put it this way. I'm not sure, but I might be wrong. I was wrong a few times already about this bike, so that might be again, I might be wrong. Yeah, but we're gonna put that to the test, because I just bought Draghi, and we see the Draghi notice the difference in acceleration. We set up, let's say, from, I don't know, 20 kilometers to 100 kilometers acceleration. Yeah, you can lads, guys, you can tell me in the comment what be a good test for the bikes for the acceleration. What kind of speed range will be good enough to set up? Because I go to mega bikes, and guys, let me tell you, the experience down there, what I get when I'm buying the bikes is just at a different level. It really is. People down there work there, but with a passion. They all love bikes. They all bikers. Even the females working there, they are bikers. So if you're ever looking for a new bike, used bike, but new for you, a gear, a service for the bike, a parts for your bike, Mega Bikes. That's the one shop I definitely recommend it to everyone, and I bring all my friends, all people I know to this shop to buy it, stuff from them. So good job, Yamaha. I have to give you flowers. I have to give you a credit where the credit is due. Good job with that CP2 punchy engine, with all the electronics, and a small bike like this. And depends where you're watching this video, which country you're from. I have to say, Ireland is still one of expensive country for buying stuff. Maybe not the most expensive, but one of for sure. I checked the price for this bike in UK, £7,500, which is 7,900 euros. It's 9.5 here, so it's 1,700 more. 1,700 on a small bike. It's a lot, but it's worth it. Put it this way, it's worth it. Soon we're gonna be wheelie this thing. Soon we're gonna be doing stuff with this thing. So stay tuned, guys. Hit the like, leave the comment, and subscribe to the channel. Alright guys, so I just back from a spin. As you hear, it's pissing rain. I got lucky as hell because not even one drop of rain hit at me. MT-07 is home safe. 101 kilometers done. 600 RR is there. 600 RR beast. Fun hooligan bike. I really enjoyed this bike today. If you watch this video, leave the like, subscribe, leave the comment, and there is definitely more videos to come. We're gonna build this to something else, new exhaust on the way, and a few other parts. So, thank you for watching. See you in the next one. Peace.